Prepare to be shocked by disturbing animal facts. A polar bear can calmly stalk up to you, beginning to eat you alive without roaring or charging. Orcas, among the ocean's apex predators, will hunt great white sharks, tearing them open to feast on their livers and sometimes hearts, a peculiar ocean delicacy. Camels, with specially evolved canine teeth, bite off balls of other male camels. During Tasmanian devil mating season, males must overpower females. Failure results in females beating them up. Killer whales, just because they're bored, slap seals into the air, causing their death from the fall, with no intention of food or defense. The honeybees in your yard are in the last 2 to 3 weeks of their lives. Great white sharks don't cease eating when full, they stop when eliminating the food source. Studies reveal increased intelligence daily by following you.